Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Excuse the voiceover and the messy hair, I'm not feeling the best, hence my voice. So for some bizarre reason I've lost the footage of me doing my brows, but basically just for brows I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. But to start off with, I go in with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre and just blend that onto my eyes, just as a base. And then I go in with the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, the Holy Grail one. And first of all, I'm going in with Thanks a Latte as my transition shade, or just a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put that all over the crease area, the lid area, everywhere basically. And then I'm going in with Transition, and I'm just going to start to deepen up my crease colour. I'm going in with Bestie and Are You Kidding Me, just to give some more depth to my crease. I'm going in now with, it's a fluffy brush, but it's like a tapered fluffy brush, just to keep it so it's in my crease. And then blending it out with a bigger fluffy brush, just so we have no harsh lines. God, I sound so ill. And then I'm going to go in with Wine and Dine and just give a bit of a red pinky-ish look to the corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to keep blending this onto, I think, the most wrinkly eyelids in the world by the looks of it, of what I've got. And then a big fluffy brush. And I've taken Transition again just to blend out the edges. And then taking the MAC paint pot again, the Pro Longwear paint pot, I'm just going to start to cut the crease of the front portion of my eyelid. And then once that's done, I'm going in with So Jelly and Cranberry Splash and putting that right over top and blending it in. And using Crystal from the palette, I am sticking that under my brow bone just to make it pop a bit more. And after, to give the glittery effect, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. And this one is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. These are my favourite glitter liners ever. And I'm just doing sort of half and 3/4 of my eyelid. And then I'm just going in with an oldie but a goodie, my roller lash. For the face primer, I'm going in with the Elsie Pearl Radiance Primer. I'm just going to smooth that in with my fingers. Then for foundation today, I am using the Hourglass Vanish stick, and my one I have in the shade Shell, and then as well as that I'm going in with the Dior Forever, I cannot say what it's called, it's the Forever Skin Foundation by Dior, basically. And then I'm buffing it all in with a massive Tarte brush. And then once that's all blended in, I'm going to do cream contour today, and I wasn't a big fan of this stick, so I'm retrying it out again. It is the Rimmel London Insta Duo Contour Stick in Light. I'm more of a powder contour person because I find the cream contour, it doesn't really do a lot for me, especially this one. It just looks quite orangey on my skin tone. And then once again, blend it in with that big brush. Normally I would use a beauty blender, but today I'm just being too lazy. I couldn't bother to go and wet it. To be fair, I couldn't even bother to speak while I was doing this makeup, so I thought I'd just do a voiceover. And then going in with everyone's favourite, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and just going to stick that everywhere on the face, pretty much.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
And then once it's finally blended, I am just going to set my under eye with the RCMA Low Colour Powder. I found I used to love this powder, but it seems to crease on me now. And then after that, to give my skin a bit more of a cool toned look to my cheeks, I'm going in with the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.
And then for blush today, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
And for highlighter, I'm going in with my favourite at the minute, and it's the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this. I don't use it if I'm doing a natural day look because it is a very in-your-face highlighter. And then once that's done, I'm then going to go in and do my under eye because it was looking really bare. I completely forgot to do it. And I'm just going in with the shades Teddy Bear, and I think I went in with Wine and Dine as well. Yeah, I did. Just to smoke it out under my eyes, and that's from the Violet Voss palette again. And then I lined my eyes with a Urban Decay liner. And of course, put on a bit of mascara. And then for lips today, I didn't line them because I couldn't be bothered, but I just went in with a Beauty Bakerie liquid lipstick in Fortune Cookie. And excuse the close-up of the Jeffree Star mirror, I have to get really close to do my lips. Please excuse my hair at the end, it was not behaving, and the foundation all in my hairline. So yeah, that is the whole look done. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!